Hi guys, I am Michelle and this is Ariana, and today we used her as a little model. You like being a model? Yeah? And so we tried on different outfits that she got for spring and summer, and we wanted to share them with you. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, and if you like this and want to see more of us, make sure to hit that subscribe and that like button, and we will see you in our next video. Say bye. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.